Saturday, September 7th, 2024. Focus. The Son of Man is Lord of the Sabbath. Janet never missed Mass on Sunday. Once, while she was hurrying toward church and waiting to cross the road, a speeding scooter suddenly veered off the road and knocked down a lady standing a short distance away. Several people noticed but did nothing. Janet rushed there and helped the injured stranger get back on her feet and even saw her safely back home. Of course, she could not make it for Mass that Sunday. The Sabbath was a day to focus on God's love and forgiveness. But the Pharisees had distorted the true meaning of the day by making their own petty Sabbath rules. In today's Gospel, Jesus is again questioned because his disciples have been seen violating the Sabbath laws. Only Jesus, Lord and Master of all, could remind the Pharisees of the real meaning of Sabbath and how certain actions, if done for the good of others, do not constitute a violation of the day. Nowadays, Sunday is not what the Sabbath used to be in Jesus' time. Sunday is hardly a day of rest dedicated to God alone. Instead, once Sunday Mass is safely behind us, the whole day is literally packed with picnics, outings, and entertainment. In fact, remembering God on Sundays has become difficult. Fruit, regardless of all the bustle around me, I will make a sincere effort to keep my Sunday holy by centering it on love of God and neighbor.